I always tell people when you're talking to us to get an estimate, the first question you should ask is, what questions should I ask? Because you're a professional in your field, we're professionals in our field. We know all kinds of things that you don't know about siding and windows because this is what we do for a living. So when I'm out talking to people, I always say, here's the questions you should be asking. Most people are going to ask the question of, what's it made from? How much does it cost? How long is the warranty? And that's, what they know to ask. But there's so many different things. It's like, how long have you been installing it? Who's installing it? Does the warranty cover the labor to repair the siding? Because when you get siding, there's the manufacturer of the siding, then there's the installer of the siding, then there's the company who sells the siding. Now, in a lot of cases, the installer is a subcontractor and the seller is the middleman, if you will, and then the manufacturer. So one warranty comes from this guy and one warranty comes from this guy, and it's like, well, who stands behind what? So you want all the clarity on these different things, and that's just on that portion of it. Then it's like, how long have you been selling this material, and what problems do you have with this material? What's the downside of this material versus this material? What's the pros of having this? What's the con? There's just all kinds of questions, and it's like, most people when they're, hey, I want to side my house. Well, what does that mean? Because when you side your house, on the exterior of your home, there's the actual wall space siding. Then there's the window trim. Then there's the door trim. Then there's the soffit. Then there's the fascia. Then there's the rake. Then there's the underneath eaves where, your house projects over the foundation and things like that. There's all kinds of things on the exterior of your home. And when you get a bid for siding it can mean covering everything, or siding could mean we're just doing the wall space siding because that's technically the siding. And so you can have bids that range from way low to way high, and it's just like, what's the difference? And the difference is what they're covering and what they're not covering. So it's like when you paint a house, hey, paint my house. Well, if you're just painting the siding portion of it, the wall space, well, that's one price. But if you're painting the trim, oh, that's a whole nother price. Then are you doing the guttering? You have to have all these questions that you need to ask because not every company is going to be up front and tell you all the things they're doing. And then you're going to find out later, oh, you don't do it for that? Oh, I thought that was included. Oh, no, that's more. And you're like, oh, I got ripped off, one of those deals. And so it's the product, how it's installed, what it covers, what the siding's made out of, what the warranty is, what the labor warranty is, who's installing it, how long have they been installing, how long have they been installing that product, et cetera, which these are all things that I tell people to ask. One, it's a self-serving thing for me because I have all the good answers to those questions. We've done it for years. There are our employee installers. We stand behind it. We're labor and material, et cetera, things like that. Not all the other companies, in fact, most of the other companies aren't going to be able to give you all the good answers that we're able to give you. So that's one of the reasons I direct people to ask these questions. But still, you as the homeowner want to know this because whether you buy cheap siding or whether you buy expensive siding, both of them are expensive. And you don't want to waste your money and be like, oh, I could have spent a little more and got it done right.